We have a live look of downtown Austin tonight. Expect a bit more foot traffic this weekend as the Texas Tribune Festival and Bat Fest will draw large crowds. Some of those attendees are likely taking electronic scooters to get around, but a new audit found the city of Austin doesn't know how many people on those scooters are getting hurt in crashes. And as KXAN's Sarah Al-Sheikh reports, that could leave people at risk.
Electronic scooters first rolled into Austin in 2018. Since then, tackling safety has been an ongoing goal for the city of Austin. It's why a few months ago, the city's Transportation and Public Works Department limited the number of scooters from more than 8,000 to 6,700. But a new audit shows there's still work to be done. The Office of the City Auditor found the city does not have a good system for tracking collisions and faces challenges getting that data. The city requires e-scooter providers submit monthly collision reports to the Transportation and Public Works Department. But according to the audit, it appears unlikely that all data was reported to the city. 2 of 4 providers reported 0 collisions from 2022 to 2023. Another reported 342 collisions, and the other provider reported 21. On top of that, the audit says the city doesn't have standard definitions or coding for key terms like collision or crash. Scooter crashes aren't always coded consistently, with the scooter incident ranging anywhere from a crash involving an e-scooter, someone's personal scooter, or a motorized Vespa-style vehicle. Austinite Dakota Strickland says he's witnessed a crash firsthand.
I've seen a girl just utterly wipe out and have her night ruined.
It's one of the reasons he chooses not to ride them.
They're in the bike lanes, they're in the middle of the roads. You shouldn't be able to ride those without a helmet or elbow pads, knee pads.
The audit recommends city departments do things like define key terms around e-scooters, collisions, and crashes, and collaborate with emergency services and police to establish standard codes. In a statement to KXAN, the Transportation and Public Works Department says, quote, "These devices have become a critical part of mobility in Austin, allowing community members to access their jobs, public transit stops, businesses, and more. TPW staff will continue to work with providers, other city departments, and community stakeholders to implement the audit recommendations by the proposed implementation dates."
It makes me feel a little safer for the people who are actually partaking.
Sarah Al-Sheikh, KXAN News.
The lack of reliable data limits the city's ability to analyze trends and patterns behind crashes, also provide educational outreach, and properly inform and recommend rule changes. The Transportation and Public Works Department says it plans on implementing those changes next March. Going in depth on this, these issues aren't exclusive to Austin. A 2021 National Transportation Safety Board study stressed e-scooter data challenges across the country are impacting crash records due to a lack of complete, accurate, or consistent data coding that doesn't specify if it was actually an e-scooter crash, and bad quality when it comes to trip data. The 2021 study recommended cities fix that.